We began production of the first Tesla 3D model 11 years ago in 2014. At this point, 11 years later, we are still stuck on not being able to print a usable body. Right, so you can see this front clip is not extended enough to catch or grab the chassis. To be clear, the latch lip is only about half the length it needs to be to work. You can see clearly when we put these two bodies next to each other, it's obvious. Yeah. I mean, come on, I am going to need to learn how to do this myself, right? We hired 4 different 3D developers from around the world who never quite perfected the design. The cool thing is that the talented genius who nearly perfected the design would not take my money, and that 3D developer, he did create and perfect my coreless motor adapter. Dreams truly come true. My coreless motor adapter dream came true in only like 7 years. So, okay, yes. It has been 11 years. Oh well, I can now use AI to convert an STL file into an OBJ file. Also, I now have computer resources and AI to assist in editing the body file to fit properly. We might be done with it by 2036. These images are providing insight into clearance issues. Clearly, you can see it, right? I mean, how difficult could it be? Haha, it is incredibly difficult. I'll be honest with you, I do not want to learn how to do this 3D development myself. Yet, I am willing to give it a good shot. Wish me luck. I'm going to need it.